You are welcome back to this channel. So in today's class, we want to study multiplication and division of polynomials. In the last video, we discussed that polynomial is a form of a subscript n multiplied by x raised to the power of n plus a subscript n minus 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of n minus 1 plus plus a subscript 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2 plus a subscript 1 multiplied by x plus a subscript 0, where a subscript n minus 1, a subscript 2, a subscript 1, and a subscript 0 are the numerical constants, and they are coefficients of x raised to power n, x raised to power n minus 1, x raised to power 2, and x. The highest power of polynomial here is n, and that n is called the degree of polynomials. N is the degree of polynomial. So we have done addition and subtraction of polynomials. So today now we want to study multiplication and division of polynomials. So multiplication of polynomials. If you multiply two numbers together, the answer is known as product. So the product of two polynomials with degree m and n will give you another polynomial of degree m plus n. So what I'm saying is that the product of two polynomials with degrees n and m will give you another polynomial of degree n plus m. For example, p subscript 1 of x is equal to 2x squared plus 5x plus 6, and p subscript 2 of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Find P1 multiplied by P2. Now we have two methods that we can use. So I'll show you the two methods now. So method 1. The first method is that you want to find P1 multiplied by P2. So the next thing is that you take each values of P1 to multiply everything in P2. Now let's take 2x squared first. 2x squared, then multiply by 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then you take another value here, which is plus 5x. You use that one also to multiply all the values of P2. So multiply by 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then you take the constant of P1, which is plus 6. So you have to be careful of any sign beside each value. You have to be careful. So you use it to multiply everything in P2. 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So P1 multiplied by P2 will now be equal to, so 2x squared multiplied by 3x squared will give us 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. And recall law of indices. If you have x squared multiplied by x squared, what you are going to do is that you take one of x, you take it, so we have x, then you add their powers together. So 2 plus 2. So we have x raised to power 4. So that is what we are trying to say here, that the product of two polynomials with degrees n and m will give you another polynomial with degree n plus m. So whenever you are multiplying polynomials, so the power will become the x. The degree of that x will be addition of the two degrees. So here now 6, then x raised to power 4. So you are going to add the power together. So 2x squared multiplied by minus 2x will be minus 4. Then the power of x in the first one is 2 and the power of x in the second one is 1. So you are going to add 2 plus 1, which gives 3. Then 2x squared multiplied by 1 plus 1 will give us plus 2x squared. Then next, plus 5x multiplied by 3x squared will give us plus 15. Then the power of the value x here is 1. Then you add it to the power of the other one that we are multiplying it with. So x raised to power 3. 5x multiplied by minus 2x will give you minus 10x squared. Plus 5x multiplied by 1 will give us plus 5x. Followed by plus 6 to multiply everything inside P2. So plus 6 multiplied by 3x squared gives plus 18x squared. Plus 6 multiplied by minus 2x gives minus 12x. Plus 6 multiplied by plus 1 gives plus 6. So now you are going to collect like terms. So P1, P2 will now be equal to, you have 6x raised to power 4. We do not have another one again, so we are going to write that one. So 6x raised to power 4, then followed by the highest degree here now is x raised to power 3 after x raised to power 4. So minus 4x cubed. Then we have another one plus 15x cubed. So minus 4x cubed plus 15x cubed. Then followed by x squared. So plus 2x squared minus 10x squared plus 18x squared. So plus 2x squared minus 10x squared, then plus 18x squared. So x now, 5x, then minus 12x. So plus 5x minus 12x minus 12x. So it remains the constant, which is plus 6, then plus 6. So P1, P2 will now be equal to 6x raised to power 4, then minus 4x squared plus 15x cubed. Minus 4x cubed plus 15x cubed will give me plus 11x cubed. Plus 2x squared minus 10x squared plus 18x squared. Plus 2x squared minus 10x squared will give me minus 8x squared. Minus 8x squared plus 18x squared will give me plus 10x squared. Plus 10x squared. Plus 5x minus 12x will give me minus 7x, then plus 6. And that is the answer. So method 2. So we want to find P1 multiplied by P2. So we are going to use long multiplication. So 2x squared plus 5x plus 6 multiplied by 3x squared minus 2x then plus 1. So we are starting from back now. We are multiplying it backwardly. So use 1 to multiply everything in P1. This is for P1 and here is for P2. So 1 multiplied by plus 6 gives 6. 1 multiplied by 5x gives plus 5x, plus 1 multiplied by plus 2x squared gives 2x squared. So we are taking minus 2x now. Minus 2x multiplied by 6 gives minus 12x. So you are going to put each under each value. So minus 2x multiplied by plus 5x gives minus 10x squared. So minus 10x squared. Minus 2x multiplied by plus 2x squared will give me minus 4x raised to power 3. So plus 3x squared multiplied by 6 gives plus 18x squared. So I'm going to write it under x squared. So plus 18x squared. Plus 3x squared multiplied by 5x will give me 15x cubed. So plus 15x cubed. Plus 3x squared multiplied by 6x squared gives plus 6x raised to power 4. So 6x raised to power 4. Remember that there's plus there. So we're going to add everything together. So we have 6 plus, so plus 5 minus 12, plus 5x minus 12x gives minus 7x. Plus 2x squared minus 10x gives minus 8x squared. Plus 2x squared minus 10x squared gives minus 8x squared. Minus 8x squared plus 18x squared gives plus 10x squared. Minus 4x cubed plus 15x cubed gives plus 11x cubed. Then this one do not have, so it's 0, 0 here. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6x raised to power 4, 6x raised to power 4. So you can see that we got the same answer. So you now go for the one that best suits your own time. So go for which one that you understand most. So this one is called long multiplication. Long multiplication of polynomial. Division of polynomials. So a polynomial of degree n can be divided by another polynomial of degree m if n is greater than or equal to m. This is what I wrote on the board. Now, for example, divide the polynomial p1 of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x minus 4 by the polynomial p2 of x is equal to x plus 2. This p1 that is being divided by, p1 is called dividend. The dividend. And p2 that I want to use to divide another polynomial is called divisor. The divisor. The answer that we are going to get, answer is called quotient. And the leftover, any left answer or leftover figure is called the remainder. So let's solve this one now. This is how to solve it. So p2, we want to use it to divide p1 of x. So This is how to do it. So 3x squared minus 2x minus 4. So we want to use x plus 2 to divide it. So you are going to use the first value in the divisor. You are going to use it to divide the first value of the dividend. So like this, 3x squared divided by x. You are using the first value of the divisor to divide the first value of the dividend. So if you divide this one, x here 1, so this one gives us 3x. So you are going to write it in. So use the quotient. You use the quotient to multiply the divisor now. You use it to multiply all the values in the divisor. So 3x multiplied by x gives 3x squared. 3x multiplied by 2 plus 2 gives plus 6x. Then you are going to subtract. So here 3x squared minus 3x squared gives 0. Minus 2x plus minus 2x minus plus 6x. Like this, minus 2x minus plus 6x. It's the same thing as minus 2x. This is plus 6. So minus 2x minus 6x and is equal to minus 8x. So here is minus 8x. Then you are going to write the constant down. Minus 4, minus 4. So you are going to, this one will be our new dividend. This is the initial dividend. So this is the new dividend now. So this is still the divisor, it remains the divisor. So we are going to use the first value of it to divide the first value of the new dividend. So minus 8x divided by x. So x1, x1. So this one gives minus 8. So we are going to write it a minus 8. So this minus 8, we are going to use it to multiply the divisor. Starting from the first one, then the second one. So minus 8 multiplied by x gives minus 8x. Minus 8 multiplied by plus 2 gives minus 16. Minus 16. So we are going to subtract again. So minus 8x minus 8x gives minus 8x, then minus times minus gives plus 8x. So this one is equal to 0. So this one gives 0. Then minus 4 minus 16. So you have to be careful of sign. So minus 4, then minus multiplied by minus gives plus. So minus 4 plus 16 is equal to plus 12. So this is plus 12. So from here now, you can now say that the dividend here is 3x squared minus 2x minus 4. And our divisor is x plus 2. The quotient, that is the answer gotten. The answer gotten after division is 3x minus 8. 3x minus 8. And the remainder is 12. So that is how to go about division of polynomial. So thank you. Till I see you in the next class. Bye bye.